Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Marginal utility measures satisfaction from one more milkshake. We will analyze Roscoe's data to find the true statement quickly. Let's go! Marginal utility is the change in total utility divided by the change in quantity. To find it, subtract the previous total utility from the current total utility for each cup consumed. For the fifth cup, total utility goes from 185 to 220. Subtracting 185 from 220 gives us exactly 35 utils for that cup. Comparing this result to our choices, option B matches our calculation perfectly. This confirms the marginal utility for the fifth cup is 35. Well done! Option B is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid a rush. Always trust the given data and steps.